Pharma Guy here. Today, we're checking out this powerful and spacious 2017 Chevrolet Suburban Premier Sport Utility 4-door. This Suburban comes with a clean Carfax report and a complete dealer service history. It's been well maintained and is current on GA state emissions. Plus, it's dealer certified pre-owned, backed by our Quality Plus warranty for 3 months or 3,000 miles, and you can add a 5-year maintenance plan at the time of sale at a discounted price. Ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade, available at the time of purchase. We take pride in offering transparency, and we encourage you to request a recent computer scan before making a decision. In fact, we've already included one in the photos of this vehicle. You'll see that all 7 monitors have completed successfully with no trouble codes, pending, stored, or permanent. Our scan shows no dash warning lights, and this Suburban passed generic emissions diagnostics, receiving a clean bill of health. This SUV is part of our certified pre-owned program, which means you're getting a high-quality vehicle with added peace of mind. Just remember, any price reductions or discounts will void the CPO status, including the warranty and service plan. However, you can always upgrade the warranty at a discounted rate when you purchase. We understand that buying a vehicle is a big decision, and we want to make sure you feel confident in your choice. As we always say, the bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten.